Passenger. Passenger. More passenger. Oh. All right. Getting ready to do Hell's Revenge. Most of us, this is a first time doing this trail, it looks like. The start is right there in the parking lot. You can see all the Jeeps heading up. All of our guys are over here getting aired down. Really looking forward to this trail. We did Fins and Things yesterday. It was a lot of fun. Not a huge challenge. From what I hear, this is just one step up from that trail. So looking forward to it. Let's hit the road.
We'll probably go past a lot of them, to tell the truth. Like Hells Gate, if you're thinking about doing it, get your thinking gear in now.
My goal with this video was to capture the experience of being on this trail and the difficulty of it, using a lot of angles and 2 cameras, so hopefully you guys can get a good sense of whether or not you feel comfortable driving this when you come out. Hell's Revenge is a Jeep Badge of Honor trail with Jeep rating it a 3 to 6 difficulty, which implies that there are bypasses, but also challenges if you want them. The Red Rock 4-wheelers rate it a straight 6. I'm guessing that's because some of the obstacles, like Hell's Gate, once you get into it, you're pretty much into it, and you gotta do it. We can always count on VJ to take the hardest line. Me, on the other hand, well, I was still getting used to the Red Rock. Most of these first obstacles on this trail, can't really get out for these because they're so steep and it's such a sustained climb that a bunch of this is just going to be dash cam footage. That way everyone's staying safe.
That wasn't no fun. That was too easy.
Nice view up here. We just hit the sign that says Hells Gate River Overlook. So we pulled off to do the river overlook and not really sure what we're gonna do next. I see a bunch of people going down the Hells Gate one, so hopefully we've got some people that are gonna try that. That'll be awesome. Get some good footage.
Yeah, I think it's way worse than us.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, because you're dropping down, and I feel like it's like a 3-foot ledge. You're kind of just falling off, and it's brutal.
All right, here's a spot we're going down next.
Stay on the black.
This looks pretty cool. Nice steep descent. Man, this is an obstacle where you kind of start coming up it and it seems fine, and then you have one tire climbing a little bit too fast, start getting a little wobbly. A couple bikes coming up though, that'll be cool. Yeah, we slipped down, I think. It's all good. So a lot of people were saying that Hell's Revenge is a great trail to do after Fins and Things because it's basically the same thing, just a couple notches higher. Honestly, I think it's pretty much the same as Fins and Things, unless you try Hells Gate or the Escalator. Those are like two extreme obstacles where there's a high potential of getting, you know, a little bit of body damage, maybe messing up your hardtop. But other than those two, I think the rest of the trail is pretty similar to Fins and Things. Not super challenging, but more great views and a little bit different obstacles. There's definitely more ledges, little ledges. A lot of them have options to do, you know, easy, medium, hard. Trail's well marked with the two black lines going through. And then you've also got directional arrows that tell you that certain parts of the trail are both directions and some of them are one direction. So pretty hard to get lost out of here, but I still wouldn't go alone. For a lot of this trail, I was taking what I would consider to be the medium line, but like any trail, the longer I'm on it, the ballsier I get. But I'll tell you what, Jeep did it right when they designed the 4-door. That wheelbase just seems to work in a lot of places. But will my 2-door wheelbase work for me?
got what it takes.
You got it. You got it, baby. Couple runs up that thing.
You gotta go more bumpy if it's the YJ. Can you get out?
I missed that last wow.
Wow.
Gotcha. Noted. How was it?
That was great. What do you guys think?
I got out. It was scary walking down the thing.
What'd you think about that one?
It was a little unnerving. Once you get over it, though, it's fine.
Yeah, look good from down here.
Yeah. Good job. Nailed it. Nailed it.
Nothing over here.
Am I in the Jeep? I don't know, Mark.
So perfect right now. You can come this way, just stay off the wall and you're fine.
All right, we're back at the staging area. You can see all those side-by-sides coming down right there. That's the new way down, apparently. I would say pretty successful trail run. Still kind of experimenting with tire pressures. Day one, we did 10 PSI. Not nearly enough, horrible ride. Today we did 8. Still need to take some more out. I think the last time I took the YJ out, I did 6 or 7, but it was close in the rocks. We were getting some good folds, so we'll have to try that out again. Huge thumbs up for Hell's Revenge. I did not do Hells Gate or Escalator. I did try one steep climb and got denied 3 times, but you know, we tried. Trying to do some hard stuff and, you know, try not to break anything while we're out here, because one thing I learned when we got out here, I don't know if you guys realize it, there's like no off-road shops out here. I thought for sure they would be everywhere. I wanted to go get a tire deflator because I forgot mine and can't find one. But none of the shops have them. Looks like there's only 2 auto parts stores, so it's slim pickings out here. If you're gonna come out, I would definitely bring all the spare parts you have and a bunch of tools. Brian, where's the espresso machine on this thing?
Right, you got wrenches out the side.
If you want to see more of these, make sure you subscribe. We've probably got like, I think 5 trails left, something like that, out here at Moab. Thanks for checking out our video. See you guys next time.